Just for a minute, I'd fall asleep and not dream about you.
The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and as I began my tiny, tidy journey in the spring of 2022, I began this journey in my kitchen, and I did not realize that the Tiny Tidy team would all become part of my heart and that I would love and treasure each of them so deeply.
I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of
Today is Tuesday. That means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am going to clean out 2 drawers in my kitchen as I continue on with my One Cabinet at a Time series. So I hope you find this video motivating and inspiring in some way. I also want to take just a moment to my sweet friend Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. This is the last time that I will be able to thank her for putting the playlist together, as this is the series finale of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I have participated in Tiny Tidy Tuesday for over 2 years now, and I am so blessed to have crossed paths with all of the people who have contributed to Tiny Tidy over the past couple of years. I think of you guys all as family, and I know sometimes some of us are popping in and out and some of us are here every week, but Sunday Dawn, we do love you so much, and we are so grateful that for over 2 years you compiled a playlist of all of us, and we were able to motivate and inspire people all over the world. And I am just so thankful for you, and I respect and honor your decision to make memories with your family and to step away from YouTube for a bit. I'm just saying for a bit because I'm manifesting that one day you will want to come back. If you do decide to come back, I will be so grateful. But if you decide that you do not want to come back to YouTube, I am still so thankful that I got to participate in this collab with you. You are a ray of sunshine, and you will be missed by so many people. And so I encourage all of my viewers to check out her video today. I'm going to link her channel along with today's final Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. I do not like change. I struggle with it. So to get through this, that's all I'm going to say, other than the fact that I will be here tiny tidying every Tuesday. So, well, almost every Tuesday. I just want to say with that, that I will be continuing to Tiny Tidy every Tuesday, and I know that that would make Sunday Dawn extremely happy and proud that some of us are continuing on with the legacy that she created by continuing to post Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. So once again, do not forget to check out today's playlist. And Sunday Dawn, I am just so thankful for you taking all of us in and for your love and support. I am just so proud of you, and I wish you nothing but the best.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till dawn. Yeah. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober. I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers it all. If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know if I'll cope without you. Yeah, it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows 'cause it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers it hurts. Shivers it hurts.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Before the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Before the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay, so I just quickly want to go over the things that I found to either declutter or rehome. First of all, I have this spoon, and it's just seen better days, so I'm going to be decluttering this spoon, a random spoon. And I had this ice cream scooper, and it started to, I don't know if you can see or not, but the coating on it started to wear off, so we replaced this. So I need to go ahead and declutter this one. You never know what you're going to find in a junk drawer, which is why I think we need to declutter, like to go through those at least every few months, just because, you know, sometimes you put stuff down in there. And I found some coupons that are expired, so I'm going to throw these away. These little numbers and zip ties, I'm going to get rid of. This expired rewards card, I'm going to throw away. These little chargers that do not work with any of our devices anymore, I'm going to declutter these. I'm going to see if I can find what these two charge, and if I can, then I will find a bag for them and hold on to them. If not, I will go ahead and declutter these as well. So they're kind of in a maybe, they're in an on hold pile. I'm going to relocate these two samples for my tile grout. This was just some trash that was down in there as well. And I'm going to relocate these. Another coupon that has expired, trash. These are repair patches, I think for floats or something. I'm really not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and throw these away. I have this Gorilla Glue that I'm going to store in another place. And I have these little chalkboard, these little chalk labels. I'm going to file these, but I'm going to just go ahead and let this part go. So I did find several things to go ahead and declutter out of that drawer. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I find that taking one cabinet, one drawer at a time each week, it just helps not to become so overwhelmed, and we can focus on progress, not perfection. And that is what I'm all about here on my channel. And I do want to take just one more minute to wish Sunday Dawn all of the best. And we all still admire and love you so much. And again, we wish you all the best in whatever you decide in the years to come. But thank you so much for being so dedicated to all of us here who participated in Tiny Tidies weekend and week. It's hard. It's hard to say goodbye, but I will be back next Tuesday with another cabinet and another Tiny Tidy. So until next time, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye. Dear Team Tiny Tidy, thank you for your inspiration and for your friendship. Thank you for the late night giggles and for being a source of strength in times of challenge. Our paths crossed as strangers, yet we are now family. Keep shining your light on the world. With love, always, Jen.